Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in 2018 Subaru Legacy. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Gather 5-quart oil, the correct filter, a drain pan, jack, and stands. Let the engine cool and warm the oil briefly for easier draining. Loosen the drain plug, remove the plug, and let oil flow into the pan while preparing the new filter for installation. Start by lifting the car safely and securing it on stands so you have clear access to the oil pan. Place a drain pan under the plug, loosen and remove the plug, and let oil drain completely into the pan. While oil drains, remove the old filter, lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil, and install the new filter by hand until snug. Clean the area before reinstalling the drain plug. After reinstalling and torquing the drain plug, carefully refill the engine with the specified oil capacity and grade. Replace the oil fill cap and start the engine for a minute to circulate oil while checking for leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then verify the oil level with the dipstick and add oil if needed to reach the correct mark on the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.